Imagine if we colonized Mars. What would it mean for humanity to establish a foothold on the red planet? Today, we'll delve into the technological and biological challenges of colonizing Mars, explore the possibilities of terraforming, and examine the legal implications of settling on extraterrestrial soil. Let's embark on this interplanetary journey together. First, let's consider the technological challenges. Traveling to Mars is no small feat. The planet is approximately 140 million miles away from Earth, depending on orbital positions. Current rocket technology, like NASA's Space Launch System and SpaceX's Starship, aims to reduce travel time, but a one-way trip still takes about 6 to 8 months. Prolonged exposure to microgravity during this journey poses risks to human health, including muscle atrophy and bone density loss. NASA has been researching countermeasures such as resistance exercises and potential artificial gravity solutions to mitigate these effects. Upon arrival, the harsh Martian environment presents significant obstacles. Mars has an average temperature of -80 degrees Fahrenheit and a thin atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide. To survive, habitats must be pressurized and shielded from radiation. Engineers are exploring the use of Martian regolith, the planet's soil, as building material. 3D printing technologies could utilize this local resource to construct habitats, reducing the need to transport heavy materials from Earth. Energy production is another critical concern. Solar power is viable, but less efficient on Mars due to dust storms that can last for weeks and reduce sunlight. NASA's Kilopower project is developing small nuclear reactors to provide reliable energy for habitats and equipment. Communication delays between Mars and Earth range from 4 to 24 minutes one way, making real-time communication impossible. Autonomous systems and artificial intelligence will be essential for colonists to make immediate decisions without Earth's assistance. Next, the biological challenges. Human bodies are adapted to Earth's gravity. Mars's gravity is only about 38% of Earth's, and long-term effects of living in such an environment are unknown. Potential issues include cardiovascular deconditioning and altered fluid distribution. Ongoing studies on the International Space Station help scientists understand some of these effects, but Mars presents unique challenges due to its gravity being higher than microgravity, yet significantly lower than Earth's. Radiation exposure is a serious concern. Mars lacks a global magnetic field and has a thin atmosphere, providing little protection from cosmic rays and solar radiation. Prolonged exposure increases the risk of cancer and could affect fertility. Habitats may need to be built underground or shielded with thick layers of regolith. The European Space Agency is investigating radiation-resistant materials and protective measures to safeguard astronauts. Psychological health is equally important. Isolation, confinement, and the stresses of a hostile environment can impact mental well-being. NASA's Human Research Program studies the psychological effects of long-duration missions, emphasizing the need for supportive community structures and recreational activities to maintain morale. Now, let's explore terraforming possibilities. Terraforming Mars involves modifying the planet's environment to make it more Earth-like. This could potentially allow humans to walk on the surface without protective suits. One idea is to release greenhouse gases to thicken the atmosphere and raise temperatures. However, a 2018 study published in Nature Astronomy suggests that Mars doesn't have enough carbon dioxide reserves to effectively warm the planet. Some propose using mirrors to reflect sunlight onto the poles, melting ice caps to release CO2 and water vapor. Others suggest importing ammonia-rich asteroids to introduce additional greenhouse gases. These concepts are theoretical and would require technology far beyond our current capabilities, as well as ethical considerations about altering another planet's ecosystem. Now, The legal implications of extraterrestrial settlements. Space law is governed by international treaties like the Outer Space Treaty of 1967, to which both the United States and the United Kingdom are signatories. The treaty states that no nation can claim sovereignty over celestial bodies. This raises questions about resource utilization and property rights on Mars. The U.S. Commercial Space Launch Competitiveness Act of 2015 allows U.S. citizens to engage in commercial exploration and exploitation of space resources, but its compatibility with international law is debated. Establishing a colony would require new legal frameworks to address ownership, governance, and the rights of settlers. The United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs emphasizes that space exploration should benefit all humanity. Ethical considerations include preserving Mars for scientific research and preventing biological contamination. Policies would need to balance commercial interests with international cooperation and planetary protection protocols. In conclusion, colonizing Mars presents immense challenges, but also unparalleled opportunities. Technological advancements are bringing us closer to making Mars habitation a reality. Addressing the biological risks is critical to ensure the health and safety of colonists. Legal frameworks must evolve to accommodate extraterrestrial settlements while adhering to international agreements and ethical standards. Now, we'd like to hear from you. First, do you believe that the benefits of colonizing Mars outweigh the technological and biological challenges involved? Second, how do you feel about terraforming Mars? Is it an ethical pursuit, or should we preserve the planet in its natural state? Lastly, what are your thoughts on the legal aspects of settling on Mars? How should we approach property rights and governance in space? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this exploration into Mars colonization thought-provoking, be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on our next episode, where we'll continue to push the boundaries of imagination and science. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep wondering. Imagine if...